Hello there. Building a solid company culture is essential for any organization's long-term success and sustainability. It includes every aspect of a business from employee engagement to customer satisfaction. In this video, we will explore company culture, its benefits for your business, and how to develop it. I'll be right back. Welcome back. My name is Raymond Huan, and if you own a business, you are interested in business, or you wish to learn about the tips and tricks on how to operate your business better, I encourage you to click on the subscribe button that you see before you right now. Company culture encompasses an organization's shared values, beliefs, attitudes, and practices. It shapes how team members interact, make decisions, and view their work. In simple terms, culture is the way we do things. It involves how we define, prioritize, and solve problems. It's about determining and prioritizing what is important to us as an organization. And it also encompasses how we define success and failure, and how we handle them. Additionally, it determines what behavior gets rewarded and what gets punished. How do people around respond to the mistake? Does your team view this as a failure? Do you penalize the person who made the mistake? Or do you view the mistake as a learning opportunity for the team? Do you give the person the opportunity to rectify the mistake and allow the team to learn voraciously from this mistake? A strong culture aligns with the company's goals, and it motivates employees and fosters a sense of belonging and purpose. Let's look into how you build a strong company culture as a leader. Your values and vision form the core of your why. They are the driving force behind your goals and decisions, shaping the direction and the purpose of your business. And when you have a clear understanding of your why, it provides a solid foundation for making decisions and taking actions that are aligned with your mission. Your goals and values are crucial because they guide your everyday choices and behavior, and they serve as a compass, helping you stay on track and ensuring that your actions are consistent with your overall vision. These decisions and actions play a significant role in defining your company culture. When everyone in your organization understands and embraces your why, it fosters a sense of unity and purpose, leading to a cohesive and motivated team. By clearly defining your why, you create a strong sense of identity and direction for your business. This in turn influences how you operate and interact with both employees and customers. A well-defined why helps build a culture of authenticity, accountability, and commitment as everyone works together towards common goals that are meaningful and impactful. One company with a clear vision and mission is Patagonia. Their original mission statement was to build the best product, cause no unnecessary harm, use business to inspire and implement solutions to the environmental crisis. They have changed their mission into a simplified but impactful statement. That is, we are in the business to save our home planet. While there are nuanced differences, Patagonia remains one of the companies that embody the triple bottom line of profits, people, and the planet. The founder of Patagonia was clear about what he wanted to achieve from the beginning, and that is why he formed the Patagonia culture. Defining your why determines how you do things, how you define problems and opportunities, what you prioritize, what products and services you produce and sell, and how you do things from research and development to operations to marketing and even communications. It is the unspoken blueprint for your team, and it is why that defines it. People will follow your actions more than your words. You can't hold yourself to different rules and standards than the rest of your team. First, it's unfair. Second, this kind of inequity will shape your culture, and that's the fastest way to create a toxic environment. It does not matter if someone is the most qualified for the job. They can ruin a good thing if they can't get along with the team. You can train for skills, but not for attitude. Typically, people who share the same values and goals or similar whys will also share similar hows. But don't make the mistake of hiring like-minded people for hiring yes people. the ones who just agree with everything you say. You want to surround yourself with people who share your values and goals, but who are also motivated enough to ask questions, raise issues, learn from the mistakes, and speak up when needed. The kind of culture you want is one where healthy discussions are encouraged and dissenting opinions are welcome, as these conversations lay the foundation for growth and development within your team. Building a strong company culture from scratch requires dedication, unified thinking, and consistent execution. As the leader, it's your responsibility to build and nurture the team culture. Pentagonia exemplifies this approach. It starts from the commitment from the top and unwavering execution from day one. My name is Raymond Huan. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to catch up with you in the next video very soon.